Fundy Designer has been instrumental to the success of my business. It simplifies the idea of albums and books and wall art for my clients. It makes it so much less intimidating and less overwhelming for them when they can see it all laid out in a way that's easy to digest. When I used to sell wall art in particular, it was hard to get people to identify with the work on their walls, and then having to do so much to try to get them to identify with their images on their walls. Fundy has made that whole process so much easier, and easier for my clients to kind of grasp onto. I really feel like my clients want the stuff. As a photographer, most people don't really think about wall arts and albums or prints in general anymore because we live in such a digital society. And I find it hilarious that I have to use this digital tool to get them out of that digital mindset, but that's exactly what Fundy does for us. It literally helps people move out of the idea that the only thing that they're gonna do with their pictures is put them on Facebook or put them on social media. It's literally the integral part of the whole circular process from how we go from taking the picture to enjoying the picture. And I couldn't get there without Fundy software.